I looked into Scott and Parker, and honestly, it shows many of the same red flags seen in online clothing and jewelry stores that pop up quickly and disappear just as fast. At first glance, the website looks modern and stylish, with clean product photos and big limited-time discounts. But once you look closer, things start to feel questionable. Most of the product images look like generic supplier photos that can be found on other sites. The huge markdowns, sometimes 70% or more, are a common tactic used by low-quality dropshipping stores. When a brand advertises luxury-style items at suspiciously low prices, that's usually a sign to be cautious. Customer feedback is also concerning. There are very few independent reviews on Trustpilot, Reddit, or YouTube. The reviews posted on the website seem overly positive and generic, with no real customer photos or detailed experiences. Several online discussions mention slow shipping, poor quality items, or orders that never arrived. The return and refund policies are vague, and the contact information is minimal, another common sign of unreliable stores. Overall, Scott & Parker doesn't look like a complete scam, but it definitely doesn't feel like a trustworthy or established brand. If you decide to buy, stick to small purchases and use payment methods with buyer protection.